Okay, welcome everybody. Thanks for joining us. I'm here again with Paul Williams from commercetools. Welcome, Paul.
Hi, everybody.
Last episode, we were talking about what is MACH technology, and this week we're going to look at a couple of use cases. One thing that I've seen is a trend away from massive multi-year replatforming of everything in a commerce architecture. The throw out the old, replace the new approach for a more incremental series of improvements. Paul, how are you seeing the world these days? What's happening out there?
Yeah, it's really true, and as you say, gone are those days of the big platform replacements, and technologies like commercetools and the composable commerce platforms are really enabling organizations to think a little bit differently and focus in on where the effort is best spent to get the best bang for buck. And what we're seeing is, organizations, and we're having conversations with customers around, say, replacement of their promotions engine. And what that's enabling them to do is really focus in on where that value can be added and how they can move a lot faster around a particular area. And promotions is a great one. It's enabling those organizations and marketing teams to be able to respond quicker to the market and provide that response to customer sentiment and feedback really quickly, while enabling the business to continue operating as per normal. So these composable pieces are really enabling organizations to move a little bit more fluid and apply the value and effort where it's best spent. So what are you guys seeing?
Yeah, I'm not surprised that promotions is a particularly hot topic. It's an area that's been underserved by a lot of the commerce platforms for a long time now, particularly in a multi or omni-channel environment. Similarly, at Fluent, we're seeing retailers who have a perfectly serviceable online shopping platform, one of the existing commerce platforms, but they're really challenged by seeing inventory across different silos. So they might have their online inventory, store inventory that's sitting in the supply chain or with their dropship partners, and being able to unify that. So they don't necessarily need to do very much to change the commerce platform or the experience layer, but really the data on which that platform relies, and unifying that in an order management system, which then allows them to fulfill from stores for collection and delivery orders. Adapt quickly to some of the challenges, both pre and during COVID, that we've seen around changing shopping preferences. So, yeah, I'm seeing smaller projects with more tangible ROIs being done in a shorter time period, as opposed to the major re-platform type activities. Short and sharp from us today. I think last week we did the introduction. This week we've got a couple of use cases. But Paul, you've got a client that's just gone live. Congratulations. I know that you've got some great insights as to how the teams operated, both client side and on your side, which I think is great insight into how modern technology is changing working practices as well.
Yeah, that's right. Really looking forward to sharing some of the insights that the team have been able to provide us and get that in front of everyone else and see how that can apply to them. Thank you.
Great. Thanks very much, Paul. Thanks everyone for joining. We'll see you next time.